Hi friends, let me show you this air compression leg massager that I received for reviewing purposes. It is, well, something that will help you with to relax and to promote your blood circulation in your legs. As you can see, you get the left leg unit and the right leg unit. Okay, we are going to test it right now. You connect both to the main control unit. Okay, and you get the user manual and the electric connector. Okay, so let's try it, test it. You could use it, of course, with or without your clothes, doesn't matter. You put it like this, really easy. This is the right leg and this is the left leg. So we are ready. You have 3 different massage modes: pressing, kneading, or shiatsu. You have 3 different levels of pressure: strong, medium, or weak. And you have 2 levels of heat if you want it to be hitting your legs. So, well, let's try it. Let's turn it on. Okay, as you can see, it's already in the pressing mode with weak pressure and with no heat. I'm going to keep it with no heat. I'm going to do medium pressure, and you don't see, but it is, well, like inflating itself. It's applying the pressure to my legs and to my feet. Okay, okay. Now, okay, I feel my legs being pressured by the massage accessory, and now it's deflating and inflating again. Now I have it in the shiatsu, strong pressure mode, and I'm going to apply a little heat to it. So the massager inflates itself to the mode that you select, and it is recommended that you use it for 15 minutes intervals only. So I think it's great. It really relaxes you, and I feel it great. Perfect for relaxing and resting your legs. Thank you.